Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your accounts. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging into your account as successful, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. And now guys, we can get started connecting our GoDaddy domain, and to do so we want to go right here at the left side of the screen, and we want to find this option right here that says settings. You want to put your mouse on settings. This is going to enable you to go ahead and open up any settings you want. We're going to click on general. So by clicking on general settings guys, the first option in the general settings that you're going to see is your store name and web address, and here's the web address or our URL, the domain that we want to use. You can click edit right here. You can go ahead and set up your store somewhere else, and here you can go ahead and enter in the URL you want to use. So here's where you can change your URL, and if you want to go ahead and get your own address, you can upgrade to a plan that supports addresses for your websites. So upgrade if you haven't already, and once you have gotten your upgrade, you can get started adding your domain right here. So that enter in the domain you have gotten from GoDaddy and confirm it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.